Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another amazing video on the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Appreciate all the recent support we've been getting on these videos. If you guys would be so kind, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're shooting for 1,000 subs within 6 months, so we got a couple months left. I think we can do it. Currently at 317. I think we can do it if we keep growing and I keep putting out content that you guys enjoy. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about my favorite Galaxy S21 phone case that I've been rocking for the past 2.5, 3 months now. Ever since I got my device, I got this case day one. I'm rocking it right here. Also, if you like the video quality, I did get a new lens made by Mikey. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's pretty nice and it's wide angle and it's also manual focus. So let's get into the whole reason why I picked up the Torras case off Amazon when I actually got this device. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll probably show B-roll, but Torras is a case manufacturer and they produced new cases for the Galaxy S21 series. Is the S21, S21 Plus, and I think S21 Ultra. The reason I went with them over other brands, obviously it got really good reviews. I checked Amazon, it almost had like a 5-star review, so I was like, okay, I can trust this company. It also had a clear-ish back. I'm not gonna say it's directly clear. It has a black sort of like overall look, and then the back is mostly black, slight hint of gray, but it's also sort of see-through, and it goes really well with the Phantom Gray edition of my phone, which is phenomenal. So why did I pick up this case? It got great reviews. It had really good drop protection. It was a slim design. I value slimness in my cases, and it was only $19 with, I think, a coupon code for, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10% off or something like that. They're running a special. So that's basically the gist of why I picked this up. So let's talk about overall fit of the case. Great fit. I have taken it on and off, and I haven't seen any real stretch marks on it. It fits the device perfectly, and I haven't noticed it basically expanding like some other cases. And the seal around the whole device is tight, nice and grippy, and it's not gonna fall off even if you tried. So some cases, if you take them on and off, they'll start to loosen up and fall off easily. Doesn't happen with this case. It's pretty rock solid. As I said before, one of the main things I love about this case is the see-through nature, as it really, I don't know, highlights the device's color, as I think you should be able to tell the color of your device. I don't really like how your case completely disguises your phone. You get a certain color for a reason. I don't think you should hide that. That's just my logic for that. The cutouts I think are great. Great thing about this, and it's advertised on Amazon, is that you can actually remove these cutouts if you want them. Like if you want to remove the buttons on the side or the power button, anything like that, you can just rip it out if you want, if you don't like them. I like them. I think they're really tactile, good clickiness to them, no issues there, really defined, really stick out well, and you can't really miss it. There's good separation between the volume buttons and S21. That's just thanks to a good design from Samsung, which is great. So cutouts, no issues. You're not gonna have any issues with it. And if you wanna take out the little like rubber pieces on the side, you can do so. It's very versatile. Drop protection and scratch protection. I don't get screen protectors anymore just because I think it ruins the experience. But if you were to get a screen protector, it would work with this case because it's slim and the case wraps around it. It's raised, so if you drop it like this, it's not going to smash, your screen's going to be fine. So I don't feel the need to actually get a screen protector. But if I wanted one, it would work with this case. It would fit pretty easily. But drop protection, this thing is very secure. It's got like big rubber bumpers all around the side. I've dropped this phone maybe once or twice. I'm pretty careful with my devices, but dropped it once or twice, no issues. Absolutely no issues. This thing has great drop protection. I feel confident walking around with this in my pocket. And if it falls out, it falls out. It's not going to shatter. There's going to be no cracks. It's going to be all right. So, I mean, this is a pretty short video overall. I mean, obviously it's a case review. As I mentioned before, the cutouts are really solid, but I will mention that the cutouts for the USB-C is great. It's not too deep in there, so most plugs will still work. And the speaker cutout is perfect. And there's also cutouts for the microphones at the top, and there's a slight indent for the top of the speaker grill when you're actually like making a phone call. So would I recommend this case? I guess that's the biggest question about, or that's why most of you clicked on this video, right? You want to know, should I get this case over other cases? There's a gazillion different options on Amazon and other websites, other wholesaler websites that sell Galaxy S21 cases. Why should I go with Torras over every other brand, like maybe Rhino Shield or something like that? Or why not get a D brand skin? The reason I think you should get this case, 1, super slim, 2, super protective and great feeling in the hand. It's not slippery at all. When you hold this thing, you know that it's secure and you're not gonna drop it. It's not gonna slip out of your pocket. It's great. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe with the bell notification. I'll leave a link down this to the description if you're interested in actually picking up the Torras S21 case. Standard S21, by the way, not Plus or Ultra, but they do make one for those models, and it does come in several other colors, which is cool. I think like pink and then blue maybe. I'm not too sure, but I got the black edition, which I think goes great with the Phantom Gray S21. Really highlights the color. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Probably do a tech haul sort of video or what's in my tech bag. So look forward to that. And I will see you guys in the next video on the channel. Peace out, guys.